Hello, fellow food lovers. Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a haven of health and flavor? Embracing a vegan lifestyle is a beautiful journey, full of vibrant flavors and nourishing meals. It's a way to celebrate the abundance of nature, one delicious bite at a time. But let's be real, life can get busy. That's where the magic of meal prep comes in. Imagine having a fridge stocked with ready-to-eat meals that are both healthy and satisfying. Meal prepping is your secret weapon to staying on track with your plant-based goals, even on the most hectic days. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you need. Imagine this. You open your fridge to a week's worth of delicious, pre-portioned meals, ready to fuel your day. No more scrambling for ingredients or resorting to unhealthy options. No more last-minute takeout temptations or wondering what to cook. With meal prep, you have the power to make mindful choices effortlessly. Vegan meal prep is not about restriction. It's about liberation. It's about enjoying a variety of foods without the daily stress of meal planning. It's about having more time for the things you love, knowing that nourishing, plant-powered meals are just a grab away. Spend more time with family, pursue your hobbies, or simply relax. Get ready to ditch the stress and embrace effortless vegan eating. With a little planning, you can enjoy delicious, healthy meals every day without the hassle. Ready to dive into the world of vegan meal prep? Fantastic! Whether you're new to veganism or just looking to streamline your meal planning, this guide will help you get started on the right foot. Let's start with some basic steps to set you up for success. First, plan your meals. This is the foundation of effective meal prep. Choose 2 to 3 recipes to make for the week. Opt for dishes that share common ingredients to save time and reduce waste. Consider variety and balance, including plenty of colorful veggies, plant-based protein sources, and healthy fats. Next, make a list. This ensures you have everything you need and helps avoid impulse buys. Check your pantry and fridge for staples. Knowing what you already have can save you money and prevent food waste. Write down everything you need to buy, organizing your list by grocery store sections for efficiency. This makes your shopping trip quicker and more organized. Then, batch cook grains and legumes. These are versatile ingredients that can be used in a variety of dishes. Cooking large batches of grains like quinoa, brown rice, or lentils at the beginning of the week saves time and provides a base for multiple meals. You can mix and match these with different veggies and sauces. Wash, chop, and store veggies in airtight containers for easy snacking or adding to meals throughout the week. Prepping your veggies in advance makes it easier to throw together a quick, healthy meal. Let's talk building blocks. These versatile staples are meal prep heroes, adding flavor and nutrition to countless dishes. First up, tofu powerhouse. Tofu is a blank canvas for flavor. Press and marinate it in your favorite sauces for flavorful stir-fries, salads, or sandwiches. Next, lentil love. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber. Use them in hearty soups, stews, or as a base for veggie burgers. Then, quinoa versatility. Quinoa is a complete protein and cooks quickly. Enjoy it as a breakfast porridge, a salad base, or a side dish. Finally, roasted veggie magic. Roasting veggies like broccoli, sweet potatoes, or Brussels sprouts brings out their natural sweetness and makes for easy meal additions. Section 4. Budget-friendly bites, delicious and affordable vegan recipes. In this section, we will explore how you can enjoy mouth-watering vegan meals without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out, these recipes are perfect for anyone looking to eat healthily and affordably. Eating vegan on a budget is easier than you think. With a little planning and creativity, you can create delicious meals that are both nutritious and cost-effective. Fresh produce, grains, and legumes are the staples of a budget-friendly vegan diet. Here are 2 delicious and affordable recipes to get you started. These recipes are not only easy to make, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. Let's dive into the first recipe. Recipe 1. Hearty chickpea and vegetable curry. This makes 4 servings. Ingredients: 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon curry powder. This curry is a perfect blend of spices and vegetables, making it a hearty and satisfying meal. 1 14.5-ounce condensed tomatoes. The tomatoes add a rich and tangy flavor to the curry, enhancing the overall taste. 1 15-ounce canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 cup vegetable broth. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, making this dish both filling and nutritious. 1 cup chopped mixed vegetables like carrots, peas, and green beans. These vegetables add color, texture, and a variety of nutrients to the curry. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors in this dish. Cooked brown rice for serving. Brown rice is a healthy and affordable grain that pairs perfectly with the curry. Instructions: sauté onion and garlic in a large pot. This step helps to build the base flavor of the curry. Add curry powder and cook for 1 minute. Cooking the curry powder releases its aromatic flavors. Stir in tomatoes, chickpeas, broth, and vegetables. This combination creates a rich and hearty curry. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. Serve over brown rice. Simmering allows the flavors to meld together, creating a delicious and comforting dish. Recipe 2. Rainbow veggie wraps with lemon tahini dressing. This makes 4 wraps. Ingredients: 4 large tortillas, 1 cup hummus, 1 cup shredded carrots. These wraps are colorful, fresh, and perfect for a quick and healthy meal. 1 cup chopped romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce adds a crisp texture and a refreshing taste to the wraps. 1 cup chopped bell peppers, ½ cup sprouts, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water. Bell peppers and sprouts add a variety of textures and flavors, while the tahini and lemon juice create a creamy and tangy dressing. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning the dressing ensures it complements the fresh vegetables perfectly. Instructions: in a small bowl, whisk together tahini, lemon juice, and water. This creates a smooth and flavorful dressing. Season with salt and pepper. Spread hummus on tortillas. Hummus adds a creamy base and extra protein to the wraps. Top with carrots, lettuce, peppers, and sprouts. These fresh vegetables add crunch and vibrant colors to the wraps. Drizzle with dressing and enjoy. These wraps are perfect for a light lunch or a quick dinner, and the lemon tahini dressing ties all the flavors together beautifully. Section 5. Time-saving tips. Streamlining your vegan meal prep routine. Short on time? No problem. These tips will help you streamline your vegan meal prep routine. Double-duty ingredients. Choose recipes that share common ingredients to minimize prep time and reduce food waste. Multitasking magic. While something is baking in the oven, use that time to chop veggies or cook grains on the stovetop. Embrace leftovers. Don't let them go to waste. Transform leftovers into new meals, like turning roasted veggies into a frittata or using leftover quinoa in a salad. Utilize your freezer. Double your recipes and freeze half for those extra busy weeks. Soups, stews, and burritos freeze well. Section 6. Storing your vegan delights. Ensuring freshness and flavor. Proper storage is key to keeping your prepped meals fresh and flavorful. Invest in quality containers. Airtight glass containers are ideal for storing prepped meals, preventing leaks, and keeping food fresh longer. Label clearly. Label each container with the date and contents for easy identification and to ensure you're eating the oldest meals first. Refrigerate promptly. Once your meals have cooled, store them in the refrigerator within 2 hours to prevent bacterial growth. Freezing guidelines. Most meals can be frozen for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the refrigerator before reheating. Section 7. Conclusion. Savor the rewards of vegan meal prep. Congratulations! You're well on your way to mastering the art of vegan meal prep. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Start small, experiment with different recipes and techniques, and find what works best for you. The rewards of vegan meal prep are plentiful. more time, less stress, and a refrigerator full of delicious, nourishing food. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to stick to your plant-based goals when you have wholesome meals at your fingertips. So, go forth and embrace the joy of vegan meal prep. Your taste buds and your busy schedule will thank you.